back to Creations by Meraki. I am Jazz, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do some large box braids on your own hair. So this one has been requested by one of my regular clients, so I just thought I'd help her out and do this video and show you guys how to do it. So you want to start with just making sure that your hair is fully straightened and brushed, so there's no lumps or bumps. I couldn't really be bothered straightening my hair all the way today, so I just gave it a quick one, which is fine. And so we're going to start off with just what you want to do in this process is firstly part in the middle. So then you can have it going down the sides, or you can have it going up in a ponytail, and it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now that it's parted reasonably in the middle, I'm just going to take this side and just clip it there, because we're going to be basically sectioning each section as we go. So hopefully that clip will hold that there. Alright, cool. And so now, because we're doing them large, what I like to do, hang on a moment, I'll just move a bit closer. Okay, so because we're doing them large, we want to make the first one kind of to frame our face. So I like to do, especially with large ones, if we're not sticking to the actual box braids, we're like changing shapes, like I might do triangle base, then here's a really good place to start. So basically just section this bit here. I'm probably gonna do around 4 to 6 braids on each side, and then just section it like down there. All right, so it's about that big, which is kind of, that's what we're going for. And then you just want to clip this bit. Oh, don't mind my hair just going all over my face. So you just want to clip this bit there. Okay, and just because I'm just doing a quick run through, I would usually put some gel or edging cream just on the edges here, just to neaten it up. Okay, so the next step is I've got all my extensions. So I use Expression extensions just because they're premium grade and they always make your hair look really good. So I have split up my extensions into about 10 different batches, just depending on how many braids you want to do on your hair. And so what you want to do is you want to grab your section that you've split your extensions up into and split that into 2 sections. So now you have 2 sections. Okay, after you have 2 sections, what you want to do is grab one section and put it in the middle of the other section. Flip that bit over. So now you have 3 sections like this. And then when you're starting the braid, what you want to do is, I usually split it into kind of like, I just grab like this bit and then I pop the middle section of the extension on that bit, and then there's a little bit here which I add in. So I've got, see how I've got it starting on the middle bit and I've got a little bit of hair adding into this one. So what you want to do is you want to just put this is my left hand, so put my left hand underneath the middle one and make sure you're pulling really tight. And then put your right one underneath the middle one. Okay, and then left one underneath the middle one, and right one underneath the middle one. And then once you get the first bit started, then it is just like a normal plait. So you're just going to put one side underneath the other side all the way down. Obviously these ones are a bit bigger, so it's going to be like a bit bigger up the top here than the little ones, which are nice and like accurate. And the tighter you pull it at the top, the better it will look. So I'll just quickly do this all the way down for the first one, and then the other ones I'll speed it up so you can see the finished look. Okay, so depending on where you want to stop it, the photo that my client requested was they had a bit of hair left at the bottom, so I might just stop it there, maybe just a little bit more. So you still have like quite a lot of hair down the bottom. And then you just want to grab a little band. If you're braiding them all the way down to the bottom, you can actually just use your hair straightener and just go over them. But if you want a little bit of hair left down the bottom, then bands are the way to go. Oh, don't mind the little knot. You'll probably get some knots, don't worry about them. You'll just cut them out at the end to like neaten it up. And there we go. We've got our first box braid. So now for the rest of them, we just want to quickly section each part. So I can just like just chuck that side. So the next bit I'm gonna do will be probably this front bit here. So I'll just section that down. I'm just gonna go straight down for that, just because I'm mixing the different sort of parts up to keep it like interesting. I guess is the word. Okay, so I'll just run through with it again, just quickly for this one, and then the other ones I'll speed it up. Okay, so we're gonna grab our sections of extensions. Again, now we're going to split this into two. Okay. Okay, so now that's split into two, we're going to cross one underneath the middle one. So it's in three equal parts, like so. I'm going to take it up to the hair. We're going to split the hair into two sections, one bigger than the other. You can split them into three sections. I just find two sections is easier because you can always fix it up while you're braiding. Okay, and then put this one with the left hand side and the middle, the rest of the sections in the middle. Cross the left hand side underneath the middle side. Cross the right side underneath the middle side. Left side underneath the middle side, pulling really tight here. And then once you get the first bit started, you can just braid it all the way down. Don't worry if your sections aren't even. You can always just grab a little piece out of one of the other sections when you're braiding it down. It doesn't really matter too much. It's a little tip and trick. Okay, and then see, you can start to see now, see the parting there. So that's what you want to see, like the scalp parting looks really good when you get that nice and neat and tidy. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. And then just grab a band and tie it off. Ooh, I can grab one, would be nice. Okay. I've left a little bit more at the bottom of this time, but you get the idea. You can always trim that later. So see, now we have two of the box braids here. And now we're just going to do the rest of it. I might speed this bit up a little bit so we're not taking forever to do the same process over and over again, and then you can see the finished style at the end. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but I redid a couple just because you want them to be tight at the base. Like I was doing this one, but it wasn't tighter at the base, it was loose out here. So you want it to pull it really tight at the base. Also, you want to be able to thread your fingers through the braids when you're braiding, like through the hair while you're braiding, so that the bottom doesn't get all knotty, because that's never a fun time. Okay, so woo. So this is one side done. So as you can see, it's like a nice, cute, simple look for a festival, which is, I think, oh, you know, you could wear this every day if you really want to, if it's just like your vibe. But yeah, so I'll do this side quickly and then I'll come back at the end and I'll show you a little bit of ways how to style these as well. Cool. Okay, so we're back. This is the finished product when it's down. As you can see, it's very full on. But this isn't the only style that you can do with these braids. So you can actually put these into ponytails or a pigtail. So I'll just show you quickly. So if you want to put these into a ponytail, if you're going to a festival, then I would suggest using a scrunchie, a very big band. So I'm just going to use one of my light up scrunchies from my website. And so you just want to flip your head over and then pull them through like a normal okay, and just like kind of a normal ponytail. So as you can see, like that looks really cute too, and that way you can have like a little bit of hair down. It can kind of feel similar to a ponytail. You've got your colors in there, and then if you want to purchase one of these, just go to www.merakistyles.com.au and you are definitely festival ready with the scrunchie. If you don't want to put it up in just a ponytail, then you could do two. So you could put these both up into ponytails, so like one side and then the ones, and you could put like a scrunchie in each side, which would look really cute. So it would kind of look like this. Let's grab the scrunchie since it's here. Okay, so we'll just put that one there, and then I've just got a green one. We'll just pop this one on just to get the full effect. If I can find it, here we go. Okay, so then you could do like these, which look like really cute as well. Obviously do them like a little bit tighter than what I've done at the moment. But yeah, like that would look cute at a festival. Or you could just have them down, or you can do half up, half down. So you could just put these bits up and have these up like so, and then have the rest down. Like so, which looks really cute as well. So there's so many hairstyles that you could do with these braids. It's kind of just whatever you're feeling and what outfit you're wearing and how extra you really want to go. That's basically it with the braids. Like it's just about how extra you want to go in your outfit and how much extra kind of accessories you want to put in your hair. But yeah, so this is the finished. As I said, a client requested this, so if you have any other requests for any other hairstyles, feel free to message me or comment in the box below and let me know what you would like me to show you how to do. Otherwise, that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit about how to braid with extensions, how to create a nice festival look, as well as do some large box braids. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, it was good to see you guys. Stay groovy and keep expressing yourselves, and I'll see you next week.